Welcome to the Car Compass. My name is Sandu, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset your oil life or how to adjust your maintenance in a 2026 Honda Civic. This will work for 2023 and up. Now the specific trim that I have in this video is a 2026 Honda Civic Sport Hybrid. So you're gonna turn the ignition on or the car on, however you want. I turn the car on. You go on the left side of the steering wheel, the home button, you're gonna press it, and then you scroll through the options you have until you get to your maintenance. Once you get to your maintenance, you press this wheel and it's gonna get you to the oil life. It's gonna let you know the item A, what the percentage is, and what you need to do is keep this wheel pressed for about 10 seconds. And then your maintenance reset will pop up and you scroll through your items and you reset which one you need. So this is how you reset oil life in a Honda Civic. Thank you for watching.